Watch what happens when magenta meets blue and gold in a touch of mystery. You'll want to watch this one unfold. Stay tuned or scroll to the very end. The final reveal is absolutely stunning. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a vibrant dirty pour using magenta, blue, white, gold, and dark blue. I layered these colors carefully in my cup. Then I poured the paint with circular and diagonal motion right into a pink puddle at the center of the canvas. As I tilted the canvas, the colors began to flow and blend beautifully, and I couldn't help but notice how this one looked like a pair of eyes watching back at me. Fluid art always surprised me with its unique forms and patterns, and this piece definitely brings that mysterious energy. Fluid art reminds us that creativity is about flow, freedom, and letting things happen naturally. If this piece sparks your imagination, I hope you feel inspired to create something unique today too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Remember to stay creative and keep painting.